Unit introduction. In this unit, we're looking at high to low level geometry workflows. We're taking millions of polygons and turning them into mere 257 triangles. So ultra insane stuff. I love this stuff. This is my favorite as far as the workflow goes. You know, once you get done with the sculpting and everything else, it really pays off to have a piece that you can look at, and when you hit the wireframe, you're like, wow, that's not made of anything. So, but it still has a high level of detail. So all these pieces were sculpted in Zbrush. That was Unit 2. Now in Unit 5, what I want to do is celebrate Unit 2 and say, okay, we're going to take these 3 different compositions that you made just out of base geometry and put some detail in, and we're going to turn them into low-level geometry studies. That means if you've not done Unit 2, you should probably do Unit 2 before you do Unit 5. And between those two units are some other workflows we're going to be looking at. But this is one of those things that you're going to be using no matter if it's a character, if it's a scene, whatever. You're going to be using this very same workflow all the time as far as taking high geometry and making it low. There's a lot of ways to do this too. There's a few others that you can produce this all maybe in Pixelogic ZBrush, but what we want is high fidelity normal maps. That's what we want. Why? Because high fidelity normal maps do not get watered down within the game engine. So here's a high fidelity normal map produced with the workflow. You can see all the detail, and here's these little latches and things. Here's what it looks like in the Unity game engine. So having those high fidelity normal maps, this geometry is basically nothing but normal maps. Still working out the clipping issues and everything else, but this is in a web player, so anytime I need to show my character off, I could just go in here. I'm just updating the animations as I go, and I'll probably put some buttons up here so you can switch between the animations. That's later stuff. But for right now, that's what we need to do, is look at the normal maps and get them pretty high fidelity so we can have that much detail at a very low cost. So if I take off the color map here, you can still see that I have the detail based upon the normal map. Alright, so that's this unit. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the video.